He was so broke, he sold his dog for $25. It is 1975. A 20-year-old kid is living in the New York City with $106 in his bank account. No heat in his apartment, no callbacks, no future. At least that is what the industry told him. His name was Sylvester Stallone. And he wasn't just broke, he was invisible. Casting director called his face weird. His speech impediment from a nerve damaged at birth made them laugh him out of auditions. So they told him, "You will never be a leading man, try something else." Then one night, he watched Muhammad Ali fight Chuck Norris. Abner was nobody, a liquor salesman. He had no business being in the ring with Ali, but he refused to go down. And something cracked open inside his stomach. Watching this, he went home and he wrote for 20 straight hours. By the time the sun came up, Rocky was winning. But here is what nobody tells you about that script. It took that script every single studio in the Hollywood. But they said no, again and again and again. Not 10 times, not 50 times. Over 1,500 rejections. Finally, the studio loved the script. They offered him $350,000 for it. That was a life-changing money for a man who had just sold his dog. But he said no, because they wanted a real star to play Rocky, not him. He turned down $350,000. Broke, hungry, desperate, because he knew he was wrong. They come back again with $500,000. But again he said no. Then, after some time, they finally agreed. But they offered only $35,000, but a lead role. Rocky went on to win the Oscar for Best Picture. It made $225 million. And that dog was sold for $25. He found a man who stood outside his store for 3 days. And for $3,000 he bought him back. Here is the truth nobody wants to hear. The moment you almost quit, that is not a sign it is over. That is the moment the story gets good. Stallone didn't get lucky. He just refused to be the version of himself other people were comfortable with. 1,500 people were wrong about him. How many people are wrong about you? Think about it. If you like the story, hit a like button and follow for more story like this. Have a good day.